My name is Joanna Schneider and I'm an executive search consultant at Harrison's Recruitment. Well, I'm in recruitment for about, 4 days. Before that, I studied international business management. I've done my master's in University of Bedfordshire. Then I've been a little bit in Canada, and after that a little bit in Hamburg, and now I'm here. Well, one of my colleagues recruited me for another company here in London, but afterwards, they actually recruited me for Harrison themselves, and here I am. Well, my goals are, of course, now to go with Harrison and explore first Germany, and then I would say, the world is our oyster, and we have no limits. So let's see where we're going to be in a couple of years. I hope very fast. Well, as I'm a very social person, I always like to interact with people, so my favorite memory is actually why I do presentations and with my colleagues. I had always a lot of fun with them. So that would be it. Well, I would say creativity and innovation. That would be it. That's very important nowadays. I would say loyalty, able to make decisions, and as well to know what they want. Well, nowadays I like, and especially now where I'm going through my training, so I'm learning a lot, and I'm really looking forward to get started and to do my work as best as I can. Well, I would say quitters never win, and winners never quit. So